Vijayadashami, you see, the Durga Puja signifies the victory of good over evil, dispelling darkness with light. So let blessings, Ma Durga, as she departs, gives her blessings, bestows her blessings on the people so that there may be peace, prosperity, goodwill, development of the state, and the people are all happy. You have a peace, there is happiness all around. So we all invoke the blessings of Ma Durga to bless each and every individual of the state. Vijayadashami to all the people of the state and also of the country. And this year we had a very good Durga Puja celebration in Shillong and all over the state as of now. And there was spontaneity in the people. They came out because last 2 years there was COVID. So, but everything was in a very orderly, disciplined way and in coordination with the district administration, the police administration, and our different puja committees. So many committees were celebrating their Golden Jubilee, 125, Platinum Jubilee. So, I mean, this year was really made up, more than made up for the last 2 years.
What message